Whether cooking inside or outside, we should always keep in mind our surroundings and fire safety. When cooking outside or inside, you should always remember the things that are placed close to the oven or grill or open flames that you're using to cook. Anything such as paper towels, newspapers, bags, or any other flammable materials can easily catch fire if they get too close. You should also keep in mind when you're done cooking not to forget to cut off the source of heat. You could leave it on by mistake and put something on it, and it immediately catches fire. Well, the number one cause of fire is to put a pan of grease on, heat it up, and then when it reaches a certain temperature, it'll ignite, causing other things around it to come and caught fire. Important thing is not to panic. Maybe you should cover it to smother the fire. Don't throw water on it. That is one of the biggest mistakes on a grease fire. Another important fact while cooking is once you put the food on, don't forget that you've put it on.